Hey, we are here for our last ride of the night. Hey, Matt.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing? Eric, how you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Yes, it sucks El Michelle had to leave early, but got to ride a couple good rides with Matt, and then we just caught up with Eric. And hey, oh yes, we just rode Eric's first Fiddler's Fling ride this year.
Yeah.
That was good, huh? And got on Matt's favorite coaster, Spacely Sprocket Rockets. Oh yeah, man, best steel in the world. Top Thrill Dragster? No, Spacely Sprocket Rockets. Yeah. Good? This kid's been bumping into you this whole time. Oh, you might like having people bump into you. I don't. Kid pushed off me and like pushed off my back and went running down the queue earlier. It's getting annoying. So yeah, it's about 10 after, quarter after 9, and the park's closed. Yeah, they start closing early on the weekends now. Sad face.
Sadly.
Sad.
Yeah.
Sadly, I can't go on Justice League after work anymore.
I know, right? Or if you do, it'll be your last ride of the day.
Yeah, exactly.
Seriously?
Once or twice.
So, yeah, haven't hit Goliath all day. Looking forward to this one. Not too bad a line. It's worth it. At least the time that we would have, had if they were open until 10, we get to just do now. Kind of, yeah. So, all right, guys, let's ride.
Let's do it.
Woo! Woo!